So let's start with this section. We're going to learn about the technology that's behind Java. We'll learn what is Java programming language. And then we'll be learning what is the Java Development Kit, or JDK, Java Runtime Environment, JRE, and Java Virtual Machine, or JVM. So let's take a look and see just what is Java and the Java platform. So as I said before, Java is a programming language, and it's a computing platform for application development. It was first released by Sun Microsystem in 1995, and then it was later acquired by Oracle Corporation. And now it's pretty much one of the most used and popular programming languages. Java Platform is a collection of programs that help to develop and run programs written in the Java programming language. Java Platform includes an execution engine, a compiler, as well as a set of libraries. So that means that Java is a language that is platform independent. So it's not specific to any processor or operating system. It is intended to let application developers write once and run anywhere. Okay? So that means basically that a compiled Java code can run on all platforms that support Java without the need for recompilation. For example, you can write and compile a Java program on Unix and run it on Microsoft Windows, Macintosh, or a Unix machine without any modifications to that source code. Write once, run anywhere is achieved by compiling a Java program into an intermediate language called bytecode. The format of bytecode is platform independent. Java is an object-oriented language. So in Java, everything is an object. Now, since it's based on the object model, Java can be easily extended. Java is designed to be easy to learn, and if you understand the basic concept of object-oriented programming, it'll be easy to master. So we're going to cover object-oriented programming concepts in the following lectures. All right, so let's have a look at what is JDK, JRE, and JVM. So the Java Development Kit, or JDK, is a software development environment which is used to develop Java applications. So that means this package includes all the tools that you'll need to develop with Java. If you want to develop and run the applications, you are required to set up JDK on your machine. It'll contain Java Runtime Environment as well as the development tools. So the development tools are compilers, like Java Debugger, etc. Java Runtime Environment, JRE, is a software package which bundles the libraries and the Java Virtual Machine as well as other components to run applications written in the Java language. The JRE is the runtime portion of Java software, which is all you need to run it in your web browser. It contains Java Virtual Machine, or JVM, and libraries. Java Virtual Machine is the virtual machine that runs the Java programs. So when you run the Java program, Java compiler first compiles your Java code to bytecode, and then you get this bytecode by compiling the .java files into .class files. The .class files contain the bytecodes understood by the JVM. So just briefly, if you are a Java programmer, you will need JDK to develop and run the applications, and this package will include JRE and JVM as well. But if you're just a normal user who likes to play online games or run only the programs that are written in the Java language, then you'll only need the JRE, and this package will not have the JDK in it.